Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be answering a question for a user that honestly I don't know how to answer by typing it. So Jeff, my friend, I'm going to explain to you what you're asking. And your question is not a stupid question. Actually, it is a good question. A lot of people don't understand this, so I'm going to explain it to everybody. Okay? So we're going to open Lightburn. So just to everybody else, what Jeff is asking basically is I have a file that is attached for how to engrave on white tiles, and I attach in that file a power testing grid. Okay, so when he opened the file, basically everything shows 100%, but he's asking how can everything show 100% and I'm saying in that file 10, 20, 30, 40, and goes on. Okay, so basically for all the other users, if you're doing a power test, let's say if you built uh, your boxes, let's say something like this, okay, and sorry guys, trying to do it as fast as I can. So then you're gonna make this box, let's say blue, black. This guy will go blue. This guy, let's skip the red, usually it's for cutting always. But this example, yellow, and it goes on. Orange, okay, and blue, okay. We'll turn them all on. So for example, if you're doing a power test, a lot of people will do this method, okay. Then we'll do 350 speed on all of them. Just gonna change all the speeds on 350, for example, and I'm using millimeter per second, but just the same idea. And then we'll do here. Let's say we'll start 10%, 20%, 30. Don't worry about the rest of the cell in the bottom. We're just talking about power and speed, okay? So 10, 20, 30, 40, this should be 50. Then we'll say 60, correct? So I believe, Jeff, this is what you're asking for. You want to open that file I attached and you want to see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 power. Yes, that's true. You could do that. But already, if you look, okay, we're at one speed and we already use 6 boxes. So I already used 6 boxes so far, okay? But I only have total of 29 boxes. So if I want to give you a speed of 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, from 1 to 10, I'm gonna run out of boxes. So there is another option, another way to do this. Basically, it is to set. So let's say we'll choose a red this time. Okay, we'll make a red box. I just said it was for cutting, but just gonna use example. We'll make a red box. Okay, so now we go ahead and make boxes. 1, 2, 3. Just go ahead. Okay, and then we're gonna select them all. The same thing we did earlier, and we do this. Okay. So if I want to make this box burn at 10% with the same speed of 350 millimeter per second, we're going to give the power 100%. Okay. So for example, I want to make this box with the same color to go 10, this box to go 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The same thing that we did here, correct? There's a different check that you use. You're going to go to window and you're going to enable this option. It's called, what is that? There should be shape, okay, this option here, okay, properties. Usually when you enable it, it's going to show somewhere here. So I have it enabled, I just disabled to show you is this guy here. Under shape, okay, properties, you're going to go to power scale. So I'm going to choose this box, the power scale for this box. I'm going to do 10% the power scale of this box, okay? This box, I'll do 20%. So what I'm trying to show you right now, I click here, okay, to show. I said I need 10% out of 100 power on this box. I need 20% out of 100 power on this box. And it goes on. Of course, there's a minimum max, but again, this is similar how this is built, okay? So now, if I go to this guy, you're gonna see 100, but if I click on shape, it is 100, correct? Because I haven't touched this guy. But if I go to this guy, I touched it, I made it 20. So now I'm gonna use only 20% power. Okay? Go to this guy, it's 10% power. Now if I click on this guy, it's gonna be 100% power. Why? Because I want 100% power out of 10%. So I can do this method here, make the red a 10% and 100% and change it by here, or I can just do this method. But because we want a lot of speed, multiple speed, we're gonna choose one color with a lot of different power, which is basically that one color is speed 350. So if I do this, if I copy right now everything and paste it in the bottom here, okay, I make it green. Now we already have green. Let's say we make it purple color, okay, and we change the speed. We're just gonna make this guy a 300, okay, because I copy and paste. So if I go here, I'm still saying 100%. If I go to power, shape is 10%. Here, this one should be 20, just as this one. I didn't change this one, it was 100%. So I gotta change it to 30, 40, 50, 60, and it goes on. I change this guy here, okay? I hope this explained to you. So it doesn't matter if you see them all at 100, or you need to look at the power scale, which is this guy over here, okay? This guy should show you 10, 20, 30, or the opposite, whatever the numbers you see. 10, 20, 30, 40, something like that, okay? It's just basically saving more power. I mean, more boxes does the same thing almost. Okay, I hope you understand it and have a nice day.